Hi girl, we come back. Okay, here Diana, that's
hello,
okay.
that's me.
We're gonna make a game, just a small game. I'm gonna say something in Creole and she's gonna translate it, and she's gonna say what does that mean in English.
Right.
If she said it right,
the rules of the game is that I can use any means for me to translate it. So I'm waiting. Answer the question. Ask the question, boo. Ask the question.
She's gonna act to, like, I know she can respond in Creole, but she's gonna respond what I say in Creole too. No,
English. I'm gonna translate it. I'm not gonna respond because I don't parle Creole too much. Okay. Only little bit. A few words.
Okay. She wanna have a discount on something that she really like, but to get that discount she have to pass.
Okay. Ask me the question.
Okay. Question number 1. Okay. And tell me. Okay.
Ask the question.
Okay. Dim, qui ça qui peut intéresser ou la caille yon garçon? What the hell? She cheat. She cheat. She look at you. She lost 1 point.
No, because she never said if I could use this or not. She never said. It didn't work anyway.
Okay. Okay.
It didn't work.
Now you answer. Don't cheat, please. Don't. I don't want you.
Wait, let me see if it worked first. Say something. Say something in Creole.
Well,
hold on.
You wanna shit? I don't wanna say something.
No, say something in Creole.
Because now.
No, I want to see if it worked.
Hello. It's not working. Okay, let's go, girl. With your mind. She lost the first question. We're gonna go to question number 2. Okay, I'm sure she's gonna get that one.
Number 2.
Okay. I've
missed question 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Here we go again.
All right. The second question I'm gonna ask you. Okay. Combien de moun nou genye? Combien de moun nou genye?
Combien de moun nou genye?
Combien de moun nou genye?
Combien de moun nou genye?
Yeah. Combien de moun nou genye? Listen, guys. She wanna speak Creole, but she does. She used to speak a little Creole, but now
speak a little Creole.
She doesn't
but
say
she
nothing.
She's got a whole full conversation with me. I don't know what she's talking about.
Okay, women. Okay, I asked you. You passed. That means you lost that 2 questions.
No, wait.
Okay, you have. Okay, I'm gonna give you only 5 questions. If on 5 questions you don't answer 1, you lost the game.
Why you can't ask me something that I do know?
You lost the game.
Like what's my name? Or
okay, guys, she lost the second question. That means she have only 5 questions.
She giving me all these hard questions.
After 5 questions, if she didn't answer 1, that means she lost the game. That means no discount, no deal. She's gonna pay that she's supposed to pay. Okay, let's go. Now I'm gonna ask her an easy question. Okay. Okay. Question number 3. Ça veut dire question numéro 3. Okay. Côté au fait. Qui côté au fait?
Qui côté au fait?
Qui côté au fait? Question numéro 3.
Question numéro 3. What does that mean?
You answer. Ask your question.
Discount. Boom. Discount. Boom. She didn't say what part of the question or what I had to get right, but I got it right because I understood when she said that. Yeah. Answer the question.
What is
boom.
It?
What is it?
Right. What does that question say?
Exactly. I answered it. Discount stands 25 bones. Bones, dinero,
boom. I don't know.
I didn't lose the game. I only had to answer 1 question right. And I only had to answer 1. She was going to ask me 10. I only had to answer 1. I answered 1. Okay. I told her exactly what she wanted. Okay. I was waiting so I could hear some words.
I asked you, what year did you born? That means, like, if it's January 5.
Yeah, answer the question.
You didn't answer.
No, but you said answer the question. Then after what you said about that.
No, I say what I say in Creole. You translate what I said in English. But you didn't say it.
It don't matter. Okay. I didn't lose. Now she cheated. No, I won fair and square. Okay, it's 25 bones.
I'm gonna ask her.
No more.
Question number 4.
No, ain't no more questions. I had the question right. It's a done deal. There's no more. There is no more questions up in this piece. Thank you. I won 25 bones.
Okay, now
I
the last
translated
question
it
for her, because I see she really can't, but we're gonna give her a chance.
She really
last
can't.
question. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, really. She said she said it's an easy question. Then I asked her an easy question. Let's see if she's gonna answer well.
It doesn't matter if I answer correct or not. The point is, now I've already won.
Okay.
So the answer to her question was, what was the question again?
Comment vous relez?
How am I doing?
What the hell? Comment vous relez?
Comment vous relez?
Yes. What does that mean in English?
That means how.
Oh my God, I'm surprised she doesn't know that question.
What?
She knows it, but she doesn't know if it's that question, because I heard she used to say that one day. Oh my God, oh, she can forget.
How can I forget?
That means she lost the...
Absolutely not. I already answered. Don't listen to this girl. 25 bones. Okay, thank you.
Okay, girl. That's it, because she lost, like I told you,
Absolutely
she lost the 25%.
No.
And now maybe another time we're gonna try with the Spanish. I'm gonna show her that I know how to speak Spanish.
She don't know how to
She's
speak
gonna
Spanish.
say so many things to me in Spanish, and I'm
She
gonna
don't know how to
translate
speak
what
Spanish.
she said in Spanish to English, okay? But that's gonna be for next time. Not tonight, okay,
Not
girl?
tonight, because I already won tonight.
I was happy to talk to you. Stay focused, stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye. I won.